Welcome guys, my name is Norbert. In this Android Studio tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can load a local HTML file within your Android app. As you can see here, I've got my emulator running and it's displaying this text that I'm loading inside a web view. So this is what we're going to be creating in this tutorial. If this is your first time on the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any new tutorials each time we release something. Okay, thank you. So let's get started. So we'll start by creating a new Android Studio project. I'll select MB activity, click next. I'll leave this as my application, that's fine, and then I'll just leave everything as it is here. I'll click finish. Just to wait for the Gradle to finish building. Okay, great. So it's done. So I'm going to expand in my res folder, get to layout, and then open this activity main. So I'm going to hit Alt Shift left arrow key on my keyboard to get to this XML view, and then I'm just going to delete that text view and add a web view. Web view. I'll give it a width of mesh parent. This is fine, and then we'll give it an ID of Android ID web view, and then we just close it. So we are done with this file, so we'll actually close it, and then we come in to our main activity file where we need to declare some variables. So I'm just going to say web view equal to fbc r.id I'm just going to call it web view, which is fine. So now we need to load the file, the local file, so we can do web view dot load URL. So in here we need to put a string with that is the path to the file that we want to load. So we haven't created this file yet, so we can go ahead and create that. So I'm gonna use Sublime Text Editor to create the file. So here we are. I'm just gonna type something in here so that we can save it. So I'm just going to, I think I've got my project in Xampp htdocs. I gave it my name application, and then app src main. This is where we need to put our HTML file, but we need to create a folder if it's not already there, code, and we name the folder assets. So this is where we're gonna save our, what did I do here? Don't worry about that. We'll just give the file a name, index.html. That should be fine. Okay, great. So now I can just delete this and then retype it so that it auto-completes. This is fine. So inside your HTML file, this is where you can put whatever you want to display in your Android app. For me, I'm just going to do a paragraph tag and then type this is an example of loading a local HTML file in Android. Did I get that right? No, Android. Okay, great. So I'm gonna save that and then go back to Android Studio. So now we need to type in the path of the file that we want to load. So we're just gonna put our quotes here and then type file colony // and then type Android underscore asset and then put the name of the file. We named it index.html. So this is pretty much it, guys. We are done. So we can run this file in the emulators to see what it's looking like. So let's do that. Okay, great. So here we are. As you can see, our app has finished building, and we are loading our HTML file inside of our web view, as you can see. So this is it, guys. This is how you load a local HTML file in your Android app. So this is it, guys. This is how you load a local HTML file in your Android app. So if you found this tutorial to be useful, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss more tutorials in the future. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.